what's up? It's your man, Young Carter. It's me and my dad got another one for you. Cadillac 02 Deville, white silver. We put painted it blue, made silver flakes, painted the insert silver flakes. And let my dad take it over from there.
Alright, what's up? Y'all know who it is. Your man Big John Restoration, Virginia Beach, Virginia. That was my youngest son, known as Young Carter. That's that 12-year-old that be priming and wet sanding them vehicles for me. Like he said, we got this 02 Deville that came in all silver. Had a few dents and dings in it. Customer wanted a color change to this blue right here with the silver flakes in it. It's kind of gloomy outside. You can't really see the flakes right now. But y'all see it. This one, the door jams was done under the trunk, under the hood was done. Of course, the customer wanted my logo. Then he wanted another logo to represent him on the vehicle as well. Y'all see the wet look, y'all see the shine. John's Restoration once again. We located at 5716 Princess Anne Road, Virginia Beach, Virginia, 23462. Give us a call if you need any paint, bodywork, interior, audio, and everything. We can either do custom or back to factory is your choice. Let us know. We got something a little unique on the hood. The customer brung this, the lady with the wings, so he wanted that mounted on the hood also. She does light up. He's got a new custom grill coming as well. John's Restoration. If we can assist you in any way, remember we offer government and military financing as well. And we have 2 trailers if you need your vehicle picked up, 24-foot trailers. We come up to 400 miles one way to pick up your vehicle. Give us a call, let us know. We're also on Facebook under John's Restoration 2. That's 2 with the 2 capital I's. John's Restoration 2 on Facebook. You can see the before pictures of this vehicle. Once again, that phone number is 757-713-2277. Give us a call.